Hey, what's up, YouTube? Black Feather Snipes back at you with another video. Today, I want to go over STARLINK, STARL. And I covered this coin before, but I just want to bring it up on your guys' radar again because, as you can see, it's starting to break out again. So, as you can see, it really ran up way back in October of last year. It went on this parabolic run where it just went straight up all the way from down here, all the way up here. And I actually traded that. But ever since that point, it just kind of went flat, did a little something and then just went flat again. And now it's looked like it's starting to make a leg up again. And the reason why I'm getting into this is, as you can see, that's it's at a level of resistance. So this would be the level of resistance right here. Then obviously the next one is right there. So it's kind of in the zone. But more recently, when I zoom in, you can see that when it broke up past this zone, it supported it at resistance, and then it came back down, and now it's breaking back into that level or that zone, if you will. So let me just make that more clear. This is the zone that it made when the RSI was really hot. So you can see up here when the RSI hit those levels, it came all the way and hit 86, and that's the top of that zone. Uh, and then it came back down and hit this green line, and that was the former resistance, and it respected that. And then the next candle, it just did this little green candle in here, just stayed there, and then it broke below the zone. And now, with that big red candle broke below the zone, and now about four green candles, and it's breaking back into the zone. So that's telling me that it's really bullish, that buyers saw this go out of this zone, and now they're pushing it right back into this zone. So that's telling me that buyers thought that it was a great deal, and they bought a whole lot more of it, and it's probably going to continue to push this price up. And that's going to be a very good sign for this coin. And it's already at that resistance level. So for it to just break past this next level right here, the second green line, to go even higher, the next price target would be way up here at this level right here. You just have free traffic, no pivot points until that way up here. Just big green candle, big red candle, not a lot of choppiness in between. So that's why I'm getting into this, to try and gain that jump, to get in on that jump before that happens. And once again, this is a good sign showing that it can make that jump, with it breaking the zone and then pushing right back into the zone. That's showing heavy bullishness, heavy buying pressure. So that's why I'm getting this coin. As you can see, the MACD is above, so that's telling you that it's still a good hold. The best time to get into this coin would have been down here, as it broke this level. Because as you can see, this was in its own zone, from here to here. That was in a zone of consolidation all the way from January 4th till, February 29th. And once you saw it break out of the zone, that would have signaled a clear buy for this. That's showing major bullishness. But this is also a good point to buy again. So yeah, and then you can even see the retest. So it broke past this level. It pushed up, and then it wicked all the way back down and came right back up. So that's also another case for bullishness, that it retested this level and now it's pushing higher. So that's two different scenarios showing you why this has got a lot of bullishness towards it, a lot of momentum to the upside. Um, and just to show you guys what the price target is looking like, from this level right now, to get back to that price target that I said, it would be, 100, about 155% gain to get back there. And, then the next level would obviously be the upper part of this wick, which would be up there. That would be the next price target, and that would be a 250% gain. So that's why I'm getting into this coin. It does have the opportunity to run a lot of bullish momentum, a lot of pressure to the upside. Um, the MACD is cross positive, the RSI is taking up. Um, and then just one other thing that you can always see, you can use the Fibonacci on it as well. This is all dependent on, this is just a lot of the tools that I have in my toolbox of breaking down a certain play. But some you can use one of these things or you can use multiple. I try and use a lot of different ways to show me that something is bullish, not just one thing. I try and look at a lot of different things. So the first impulsive move to the upside is where you want to draw that Fibonacci to the swing high. And as you can see, that first impulsive move to the upside would have been probably this candle. And as you can see, it came up and then came right back down to the 786 retracement, the green zone, and now it's pushing up from there. So once again, that's showing me that it's going to the upside based on the Fibonacci, and it's respecting that. So a price target based on that, would be, if you drew it uh, the opposite way. Let me just remove that right now. Uh, if you drew it like this, bring that up here, a price target, and you can see the price targets, the 2.6, that would be the first price target, is lining up with my green zones that I had already traced out on the chart. This would be the 2.6, which is a major profit targeting area. So we just draw a line right there. And that's where it would be a good spot to put your limit orders if you want to get out of this. You usually don't want to put it right at the top. So you want to do it a little bit below just so you can get some profit and make sure that you're getting out. But you can see how it lines up with it. Then the really bullish, which is the top of the wick that I charted out with my green line, it lines up with the 4.26 retracement. So once again, my profit targets are lining up with the Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci is lining up with my zones that I charted out. So it's all, you know, showing signs of bullishness. It's all helping, or one indicator is showing strength in the other indicator, and the other indicator is showing strength in the price action, and price action is leaving clues to let you know about what's going to happen with the play. It's all showing one thing with the play, depending on what you're looking at. So that's all for this video, guys. I don't want to make it too long. um, Leave me some comments, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a follow. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll get back at you later. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.